Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how you can make your phone appear smoother and quicker on OPPO Find X2. Firstly, we'll need to activate developer options, so let's go into settings, scroll to the very bottom, now go into about device, and then tap a few times on going to version, and then tap a few times on build number, and then enter your lock screen password. Okay, now we can go back and then go into system settings, developer options. Now scroll down till you see something like animation, window, stuff like this. I think I might have scrolled a bit too far, so let me go back. No. Oh, here. And you can change it to 10x. I will just turn to 10x to just show you all what it does. As you can see, just the speed of all of the animations. So if you put everything to 0.5, it should vertically speed up our phone. I mean, just it's going to be the same, but due to the fact that all of our animations are quicker, just going to look like it's quick. And yep, that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe, and if you have any more questions, and let us know in the comments.